Hello, everyone. Happy summer reading and welcome to the first week of Arts and Crafts. This week, we are going to make a paper plate cat together. And we do have some kits available at the library while supplies last. So if you would like to stop by and pick up a kit to make our paper plate cat, or if you'd like to give us a call and we can reserve one for you. And inside your kit, you're going to have one paper plate, and then two white triangles for the ears, two little white circles for the eyes, one pink circle for the nose, and then two long skinny strips of black paper for our whiskers. And that'll be everything in your kit. The only other two things you will need is some glue, and I'm going to use a glue stick. And then we need some markers, or if you'd rather use some crayons, that is fine too, but I have a black and a pink marker that we're going to be using. And that is everything that you're going to need. So once you have all of your materials gathered, let's get started and make our paper plate cat. So I'm going to point my screen down so you can see my workspace. All right. So we have our paper plate first. And we are going to flip our paper plate all the way to the other side. So now that we have the bottom facing up. And first, we're going to put our two little eyes on. So I'm going to set this aside, grab our two white circles and a black marker. And we need to draw the pupils on our eyes. So I'm going to draw two little ovals for the pupils of my eyes. And color those in. If you would like to make your cat's eyes a different color, you can grab a different color instead. Maybe you would like to make your cat look like your pet. Maybe you have a pet cat and you'd like to make it look just like yours, which would be lots of fun. So let's see. All right, so I have those drawn on. So let's grab our paper plate again and we're going to glue those on. So let's grab our glue stick. I'm going to put some glue on the back of my eye. And we're going to place that on the top of our paper plate. And let's put some glue on our other eye and glue that right next to it. All right, so next we need to put our two whiskers on. So we're going to grab our two long strips of black paper and we need to cross them to make an X. So if you can make the letter X with your two black pieces of paper, we're going to grab our glue again and we're going to put a little bit of glue on the back of one paper right in the middle. You want the middle of our paper to cross. We're going to make that X again. You can glue your two pieces of paper together, make an X, and now we're going to glue it onto our paper plate. So grab your paper plate again and put some glue. You can either put it on your paper or you can put it directly on your paper plate, whatever you would prefer. Now we're going to glue our X right onto our paper plate. Press that down. There we go. So now our cat has some whiskers and we need to add our cat's nose. So grab that pink piece of paper. We're going to put some glue on the back. And that is going to go right in the middle of our whiskers. So where our paper crossed. Put our nose on. There we go. And next, our cat still needs some ears. So next we're going to use the two white pieces of paper and I'm going to grab a pink marker and we're going to draw a pink triangle on our white triangle that's a little bit smaller. So this is going to be the inside of the ear. And then color the triangle in. And I'll hold that up so you can see. So I have a little pink triangle on the inside of the white big triangle. So we're going to do the same thing for our other piece. All right. So once both of your ears have been colored, we're now going to attach it to our paper plate. So I'm actually going to put glue on the front, on the bottom of that triangle. And we're going to attach it to the other side of the plate. So turn it to the other side. And we're going to attach it right on the top there, because we want the pink to show on the front. We're going to do the same thing. Add some glue. And then we're going to attach it to the back and then press down so that the pink shows on the front. All right, so all of our features have been glued on. And the last thing is we need to add a mouth for our cat. I'll show you my example. So I gave my little cat a mouth at the bottom, and you can draw the same on yours. Then our cat is complete. All right, so I will show you my cat. Here we go, I drew on the little mouth. We have 2 ears, 2 eyes, a nose, and some whiskers. So I hope you guys enjoyed this arts and crafts project, and I hope you stop by the library to pick up a kit, and we will see you again next week. Bye.